Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. No matter where you are right now, at home, on the bus, or taking a break, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about something really important, Verb 1 and Verb 5.
These are also called the base form and the third-person singular form.
Don't worry if those terms sound complicated. We're going to make everything super simple and clear.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a natural and simple way, please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
So first, what are Verb 1 and Verb 5?
Verb 1 is the base form of the verb, the simplest form, with no changes.
For example, play, work, eat, go, study, run, sleep.
Verb 5 is when we add s or es to the verb for he, she, or it.
For example, plays, works, goes, eats, studies, runs, sleeps.
This is used in the simple present tense with he, she, and it.
Today, we'll learn when to use each form and how to use them correctly.
Let's start with Verb 1, the base form.
This is the simplest form of the verb. No additions, no changes.
For example, play, work, eat, go, study, drink, watch, listen.
We use Verb 1 with I, you, we, and they in the simple present tense.
For example, I play soccer.
You work hard.
We eat breakfast every morning.
They go to school.
Notice, with I, you, we, and they, the verb stays in base form.
No changes at all.
Let's practice. I live in New York.
You speak English well.
We study together.
They watch TV every night.
All using Verb 1.
We also use Verb 1 after modal verbs.
Modal verbs are words like can, could, will, would, should, must, may, and might.
After these words, we always use Verb 1, no matter who the subject is.
For example, she can play piano.
He will work tomorrow.
It might rain.
Notice, even though the subjects are she, he, and it, we use Verb 1 after modals.
We don't say she can plays or he will works. That's wrong.
After modal verbs, always use Verb 1.
Let's practice. He can swim.
She should study more.
It must stop soon.
He might come later.
All using Verb 1.
We also use Verb 1 after do, does, and did in questions and negatives.
Yes, this is really important. In questions, do you play tennis?
Does she work here?
Did they go to the party?
Notice, after do, does, and did, we use Verb 1.
We don't say, does she works, or did they went. That's wrong.
The do, does, did already shows the tense, so the main verb stays in base form.
For negatives, I don't play tennis.
She doesn't work here.
They didn't go to the party.
Same rule. After don't, doesn't, and didn't, use Verb 1.
Let's practice. Do you understand?
Does he speak Spanish?
I don't know.
She doesn't eat meat.
We didn't see the movie.
All using Verb 1.
We also use Verb 1 in infinitives. That's to plus verb.
For example, to play, to work, to go, to eat, to study.
I want to play soccer.
She needs to work late.
They decided to go home.
He loves to eat pizza.
After to, we always use Verb 1, even with he, she, or it.
Let's practice. She likes to read.
He plans to travel next month.
I need to study.
They want to watch a movie.
All infinitives using Verb 1.
Now let's talk about Verb 5, the form with s or es.
This is used in the simple present tense, but only with he, she, and it.
This is super important. Only he, she, and it.
For example, he plays soccer.
She works at a bank.
It rains a lot here.
Notice we add s to the verb plays, works, rains.
This is verb 5.
For most verbs, we just add s. Play, plays, work, works, eat, eats, sleep, sleeps.
But there are some special rules.
Let's talk about the spelling rules for verb 5.
Yes, this is important because not all verbs just add s.
Rule 1. For most verbs, just add s. Play, plays, run, runs, eat, eats.
Rule 2. If the verb ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, or z, add es.
Pass, passes, wash, washes, watch, watches, fix, fixes.
Rule 3. If the verb ends in consonant plus y, change y to I and add es.
Study, studies, cry, cries, try, tries, fly, flies.
But if the verb ends in a vowel plus y, just add s.
Play, plays, say, says, enjoy, enjoys.
Rule 4. Some verbs are irregular.
Go, goes, do, does, have, has.
These don't follow the normal pattern.
Let's practice the spelling. He watches TV.
She studies English.
It goes fast.
He has a cat.
Perfect. Now let's compare verb 1 and verb 5 directly.
Great idea. Let's use the same verb with different subjects.
Verb, play.
I play soccer. Verb 1 with I.
You play soccer. Verb 1 with you.
He plays soccer. Verb 5 with he.
She plays soccer. Verb 5 with she.
We play soccer. Verb 1 with we.
They play soccer. Verb 1 with they.
Can you see the pattern?
Only he, she, and it use verb 5.
Let's try another verb. Work.
I work downtown.
You work downtown.
He works downtown. Verb 5.
She works downtown. Verb 5.
We work downtown.
They work downtown.
Same pattern.
Let's practice with more verbs.
Verb, eat.
I eat breakfast at 7.
He eats breakfast at 7. Verb 5.
Verb go.
We go to the gym.
She goes to the gym. Verb 5.
Verb, study.
They study hard.
He studies hard. Verb 5.
Verb watch.
I watch movies.
She watches movies. Verb 5.
The pattern is clear.
Now, let's practice with a real conversation.
Great. Let's talk about daily routines.
So, what do you do every morning?
Well, I wake up at 6 a.m., then I exercise for 30 minutes.
That's healthy. What about your brother? What does he do?
He wakes up later than me. He usually gets up at 7:30.
Does he exercise too?
No, he doesn't. He just has breakfast and goes to work.
What time does he go to work?
He goes at 8 a.m. He works at a bank downtown.
And what do you do after exercise?
I take a shower, eat breakfast, and then I study English.
You study English every day?
Yes, I do. I study for 1 hour every morning.
That's great. Does your sister study too?
Yes, she does. She studies Spanish. She loves languages.
Where does she study?
She takes online classes. She says it's very convenient.
That's wonderful. What do you all do in the evening?
Well, I usually relax and watch TV. My brother plays video games and my sister reads books.
It sounds like you all have different hobbies.
Yes, we do, but we eat dinner together every night.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Did you hear all the verb 1 and verb 5 forms?
Yes, we used verb 1 with I, you, we, and they.
And we used verb 5 with he and she.
The conversation sounded completely natural.
That's because this is how we talk about daily routines and habits.
Let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, this is really important.
One common mistake is forgetting to add s with he, she, and it.
Wrong. She plays soccer. Correct. She plays soccer.
Wrong. He work here. Correct. He works here.
With he, she, and it, you must add s or es.
Another mistake is adding s with I, you, we, or they.
Wrong. I plays soccer. Correct. I play soccer.
Wrong. They works here. Correct. They work here.
Only he, she, and it get the s.
Another mistake is using verb 5 after modals.
Wrong. He can plays. Correct. He can play.
Wrong. She should works. Correct. She should work.
After modals, always use verb 1.
Another mistake is using verb 5 after does.
Wrong. Does she plays? Correct. Does she play?
Wrong. Does he works? Correct. Does he work?
After does, use verb 1 because does already shows third person.
Let's practice identifying which form to use.
I'll give you a sentence with a blank and you decide verb 1 or verb 5.
Ready? I blank coffee every morning. Drink.
Verb 1. I drink coffee every morning.
She blank coffee every morning.
Verb 5. She drinks coffee every morning.
We blank to school by bus.
Verb 1. We go to school by bus.
He blank to school by bus.
Verb 5. He goes to school by bus.
They blank hard for the exam.
Verb 1. They study hard for the exam.
She blank hard for the exam.
Verb 5. She studies hard for the exam.
Perfect.
Let's practice with questions and negatives.
Great. Questions. Do you blank tennis?
Verb 1. Do you play tennis?
Does he blank tennis?
Verb 1. Does he play tennis? The does already shows third person.
Now negatives. I don't blank meat.
Verb 1. I don't eat meat.
She doesn't blank meat.
Verb 1. She doesn't eat meat. The doesn't already has the s.
Exactly. Let's create a story about a typical day.
Great idea. I'll talk about my friend Tom.
Tom is my best friend. He lives in the city.
Every day, Tom wakes up at 6:30 a.m. He doesn't like waking up early, but he has to.
First, he takes a shower, then he eats breakfast. He usually has toast and coffee.
After breakfast, Tom goes to work. He works at a hospital. He's a nurse.
At the hospital, Tom helps patients. He checks their vital signs and gives them medicine.
Tom works hard, but he loves his job. He says it's very rewarding.
During lunch, Tom eats in the cafeteria. He often eats with his colleagues.
After work, Tom goes to the gym. He exercises for an hour.
When he gets home, Tom cooks dinner. He enjoys cooking. He often tries new recipes.
After dinner, Tom watches TV or reads a book. Sometimes he calls his family.
At 10 p.m., Tom goes to bed. He needs good sleep because he works early the next day.
Tom has a busy life, but he's happy. He loves helping people.
That story used verb 5 perfectly.
Yes, because we were talking about Tom. He.
Wakes, lives, takes, eats, goes, works, helps, checks, gives, loves, says, exercises, gets, cooks, enjoys, tries, watches, reads, calls.
All verb 5 because the subject is he.
Perfect example.
Now let's practice talking about different people.
Good idea. Let's compare.
I work downtown. He works downtown.
I go to the gym. She goes to the gym.
We eat at home. It eats kibble, talking about a pet.
You study English. She studies English.
They play soccer. He plays soccer.
Can you hear the difference?
Change the subject, change the verb form.
Let's practice with it because people sometimes forget about it.
Good point. It also uses verb 5.
The dog barks loudly.
The sun shines brightly.
The rain falls heavily.
The clock ticks continuously.
The baby cries at night.
All using verb 5 because the subjects are all it.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Try making your own sentences with verb 1 and verb 5.
Use verb 1 with I, you, we, and they.
Use verb 5 with he, she, and it.
Write your sentences in the comments. We'd love to see them.
Don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn.
Practice talking about yourself, then talk about your friend.
I work at a bank. My friend works at a school.
See how the verb changes?
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Remember, verb 1 for I, you, we, and they, verb 5 for he, she, and it.
It's a simple rule, but super important.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
We create new episodes every week to help you learn real, everyday English.
Leave a comment below with your practice sentences.
We love hearing from you and seeing your progress.
Mastering verb forms is essential for speaking English correctly.
This is one of the most basic grammar rules, but it's so important.
Thanks so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.